This is my everyday makeup look. Super cute, super natural, just effortless, if you ask me. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Keandra, and before we hop into how I got this makeup look, get yourself together, Keandra. I just wanted to shout out this company named Zinff. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm not really sure, but they are a glasses company, and they sent me these lovely frames. And yes, they have my prescription in them because your girl can't see. So they came in this box like this, and inside the box it says Zinff, your eyewear we prepare. And they have their website on here and their email down below. They also have tips of eyewear maintenance. They have a 50% off code right here, and then they have a blue light test area, which is only for glasses that have the blue light in them. So yeah, they just come with this little pamphlet, and then this case, and inside the case, which has their name on it, came my glasses. And they also included a little thing to wipe your glasses, which I'm gonna find that in 1 second. Here it is. So it is just this little cloth that you use to clean your glasses, and it also has the company name down in the corner. You guys, this company specializes in clearly glasses. You can get them with the prescription, I believe, and without. And they have a very wide range of glasses over on that site, so I recommend that y'all try them out if y'all looking for some cute inexpensive frame. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all mine. Let me clean them first, because if you know me, you know my glasses could be dirty sometimes, or a lot of the time. I'm gonna show you guys the frames I end up picking out. They are just these black ones right here. Super cute, super simple and classy. I needed a pair of black frames really bad, but yeah, I just wanted a black frame. I love these, y'all. They fit my face really super nice. I don't like little small glasses. Like, I like stylish looking glasses, or like frames that are a little on the like a medium to bigger side. That's just my style. Yeah, the prescription glasses world is growing, and there's just so many styles. This company is great, again, if you're looking for some trendy, affordable glasses. But yeah, this is what the side of them look like. They just have silver, and then on the ends, these remind me of like little microphones, but they just look like that on the ends, also with the silver detail on the side. Y'all, they're super light and airy. Like, they're not bulky or anything like that. They're just thin, dainty, and just simple. And I absolutely love these frames. I will leave their information in the description box if you are interested in checking them out. They also provided me with some coupon codes for you guys, as well as that 50% off one that was on here. So I will have all that in the description box below if you are interested in some affordable, trendy eyewear. I want to give a huge shout out to Zinff for sending me these glasses and reaching out to me. I really appreciate it. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the makeup part of this video. All right, you guys, so we're just about to hop into the voiceover part of this video. It feels like it's been a minute since I did a voiceover, but we back. I did my eyebrows off camera just to save time. I went in with my Sephora pencil and my Maybelline concealer per usual. I'll have everything in the description box as well as on the screen as I'm explaining to y'all what I'm doing. But right here, I'm just going in with my e.l.f. matte putty primer. Love this primer if you have matte skin. If you have oily skin, this is a good matte primer. So I'm just rubbing it all into my face, checking it out. And now I'm going to be mixing my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundations. I use the shades 525 and 530 to get my perfect shade. Now, these are not a matte foundation, but I just love this foundation still. I would recommend y'all, before y'all even put this on, if you have oily skin like me, to go ahead and put your loose setting powder all over your face first. I've did it before. It works amazing. It just helps the oils not peek through as fast, because child, an hour or two into my makeup, the oils be peeking through. I have very oily skin, so yeah, that is a tip for if you have oily skin. And I'm showing y'all that my neck is darker than my face and my body. It's just how it is. It's clean. It's just darker. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do to fix that, but I never want my face to really match my neck, because then it doesn't match my body. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going in with my Maybelline concealer. I used 3 different shades throughout this entire tutorial of the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer, so I'll just have them on the screen which one I'm using. But right now I'm taking one just a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and then I'll be going in with a lighter one on top to give me that highlighted look and that pop. And as y'all can see, I'm using my little sponge I got off Shop Miss A. Love Shop Miss A. Their sponges are $1 on there, but you can get, you can get these little sponges anywhere nowadays. And y'all gonna see me pop my glasses on throughout this tutorial as well, because your girl cannot really see like that. So I do pop my glasses on after like I do something, just to see how the face is looking and coming together. But yes, now I'm going in with that lighter shade, and I'm just blending that out in the same areas where I applied my highlighter. Basically all the areas where light will hit your face and where you want that highlighted look, as y'all see me doing. And now I'm going in with the other side of that beauty blender just to blend out any harsh lines or anything that I see. And I'm also going to be doing the same thing with the same stippling brush from Elf that I use to apply my foundation, just so there isn't any like harsh lines of demarcation or anything like that. And now I'm going in with what was supposed to be my darker shade for my contour, but y'all see me fixing it. But it was the same shade that I initially used and put down first for my highlighter. That was just a little bit lighter than my skin, and then I went over it with my darker concealer. This is something new that I've been doing, because I used to only use what you guys will see later, which is my powder from Black Radiance in the contour palette. But I thought it was time to just get something like a cream contour, and then that way I can set it with my powder. So that's what I'm starting to do. I'm just contouring the nose now, and just my cheekbones and all that stuff, my forehead a little bit. And yeah, you guys, this has been my go-to makeup look. I don't do my makeup every day, but when I do, this is what I've been doing. So now I'm just going in with my loose setting powder in the shade Honeymoon by Black Radiance. Love, 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 love. Cannot stress enough how much I love this setting powder. And I love Black Radiance over all. I believe I said that in one of my other makeup videos, just because they cater to women of color. Like all of their products cater to women of color. So I love it. It doesn't give me any flashback or anything like that. And as of lately, I've been just pushing the powder into my skin for the most part. I never really baked. I would just put the powder on and then dust it off right after. But lately I've been kind of doing a combination of both, as you guys see. Just putting the setting powder everywhere I highlight it, and kind of setting the rest of the face with it. So yeah, now I'm just going over the bridge of my nose, gonna be dusting that away. So now I'm spraying my face. It changes up every time I do my makeup. I just spray my face random times when I feel like it's getting like too matte. I really could have sprayed it after I applied this powder to set my contour. But yes, this is the palette I was talking about. It's the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. And I just go in with a little tad bit of this contour shade, because it's very, very pigmented and dark. So all I have to do is just tap it, and I'm setting all the areas I used my dark concealer for my cream contour. I'm just setting all of the contour with that powder, and yes, making sure I blend everything out. You guys are seeing me go between my beauty blender a lot and my brushes just to blend everything out. That's the key to I feel like any good makeup look is blending, to get that flawless finish, and just so you don't see no lines of demarcation, or your makeup just doesn't look like you know, too patchy or anything like that. Blending is key. I'm gonna be going back into the same exact palette. This is a brand new one because I ran out of my scope shade, which is that shade in the middle of on the other palette. But anyways, I'm just setting my entire face with that shade, and I'm going in with my favorite setting spray by Urban Decay. I love this setting spray. It is the ultra matte one, and yes, I tried it in a travel size, and ever since then I've been loving it. And now I'm going into my Black Radiance blush, which I recently just bought. I just got into blush. I love it. I don't know, it just adds a little extra color to the face, I feel like, and it just adds a little girly pop. And then I'm going to be going into my highlighter. I love this highlighter. Oh my gosh, this is the Kat Von D Gravitron highlighter. That's the shade name. And y'all, when I say it's bomb, it just gives you that flawless, effortless glow. I love it so much. And I actually caught it at Ross for like freaking $5. So go check out your local Ross, because they be having name brand makeup and a whole bunch of other name brand stuff. I'm always talking about Ross in my videos if I'm using something that I bought from Ross. So yes. And your girl decided to just opt out of the lashes. I'm going with my Maybelline Big Shot mascara, because y'all, honestly, I don't know if it's because I'm growing up or what it is, but I'm over the 25mm lashes. Like, I don't know, I never really was a huge fan of them unless I really had like a beat. But if I'm just going for something everyday natural, like if I'm not wearing my individual lashes that I recently just got into, then I'm putting on mascara. That's just how I've been feeling as of lately. I don't know. Now I'm just going in with some lip liner, which is actually an eyeliner in the shade Black Brown that I got from the Beauty Supply store where my mom got it. But yeah, I'm the queen of using stuff that really ain't meant for what you using it for, if that makes any sense. I do that. I feel like if it all can go on my face, eyes, whatever, it's safe to go anywhere, you know what I mean? So yeah, I just put some clear gloss on top of that, and that was the finished look, you guys. Alright, you guys, so that was my finished makeup look. Super simple, easy, effortless, real cute. So that was basically my makeup look. Super simple, super cute, effortless if you ask me. Oh, don't fall off, fell. How about we set it down? But yes, you guys, that's my everyday makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Ever ask what you love me with the phone when you know? All I ever ask was you show me some love.